Hey there, welcome to our channel. It's grammar time. Having learnt about infinitives in the previous video, now we are going to explore the next type of nonfinite verbs. Do you like playing games? How about reading comics? Maybe you enjoy spending time with friends or exploring new hobbies? Well, guess what? We're about to dive into a grammar concept that's just as fun and engaging. Gerunds. Gerunds are like the superheroes of the English language. They have a unique ability to transform and take on new roles. They may look like verbs, but they secretly have the power of nouns. This dual identity makes them incredibly versatile. Confused? Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. A gerund is just a verb with an ing added to it, like playing, reading, or exploring. These words might look like verbs, but they work like nouns. Here's the trick. Instead of showing action, a gerund names an activity. It's like capturing the essence of the action in a single word. So, next time you see a verb with ing acting like a noun, you'll know it's a gerund in disguise. Now that we know what a gerund is, let's dive deeper into how we can identify them in sentences. The key is to look for certain clues. Just look for a word ending in ing, which is acting like a noun. These words are often the subject or object of the sentence. Remember, nouns are usually the names of the things we talk about, like cat, book, or happiness. They can be people, places, things, or ideas. Gerunds do the same thing, but they name activities. Like swimming, dancing, or learning. They describe actions that function as nouns. Here's a little trick. If you can replace the ing word with a regular noun, and the sentence still makes sense, it's probably a gerund. This method works almost every time. For example, I love swimming. Swimming here is the activity that you love. Can you replace swimming with a regular noun like water? Let's see if it works. Yes, I love water makes sense. Hence, swimming is a gerund. This simple test can help you identify gerunds easily. Let's see those gerunds in action with some real-life examples. Cycling is my favorite sport. Notice how the word cycling is used here. Here, cycling is the subject of the sentence, just like a regular noun would be. It's not describing an action happening right now. It's talking about the activity of cycling in general. She enjoys reading books before bed. Here, the gerund reading is used in a different way. In this sentence, reading is the object of the verb enjoys. It tells us what she likes to do in her free time. He's really good at playing the guitar. Notice the use of the gerund playing here. Playing is the object of the preposition at in this sentence. It tells us what he's skilled at. My cat's favorite activity is skating. Here, skating is used to describe the cat's favorite pastime. Hence, skating is part of the subject complement, explaining what the cat's favorite activity is. It gives more detail about the cat's preferences. They celebrated by dancing all night. Notice how dancing is used to describe the celebration. In this sentence, dancing is the object of the preposition by. It explains the manner in which they celebrated. As you can see, gerunds can fit into sentences in many different ways, just like other nouns. Remember, a gerund is a verb ending in ing, which acts like a noun and names an activity. Now that we have explored the multifaceted gerund, are you ready for a quiz to test your gerund knowledge? See if you can spot the gerund in each of these sentences. 1. She loves listening to music all the time. 2. He's afraid of flying since childhood. 3. Building a sandcastle takes time. 4. They thanked everyone for coming to their party. Post your answers in the comments, and I will let you know how you did. See you next time on It's Grammar Time when we explore another type of nonfinite verbs, the participles.
If you enjoyed this grammar adventure, give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting language lessons.